everyone? It is your boy Zachy SJ coming to you live. I haven't done a car wash video in a while. It's starting to get really cool out here in Connecticut, but overall the weather's pretty nice. It's like a perfect day for a wash. I always recommend when you do wash the car, never wash the car directly in sunlight. It's like kind of like an overcast day. The sun's not directly shining. There's a bunch of clouds out. So let's get into it. We're washing Lean's car right there. We're going to be washing the Model 3, and we're probably going to do some interior work on the rest of the vehicles today. But other than that, should be a quick video, maybe some ASMR clips. We'll be conducting a stage 1 wash. It's just a quick wash. You only touch the car one time. That's the biggest thing. When you do wash the car, touch the car as little as possible. Just went ahead and set up the cars for the wash. I used the Ryobi small blower to blow out the driveway. Just set up the pressure washer. Getting ready to spray down the cars. Gonna be trying to wash both of them at the same time. These cars eat up through windshield wipers. Most cars do, but this Tesla definitely does. Right side, the passenger side, he kind of misses this whole circle right here, but the driver's side's still usually pretty good. One thing owning the Model 3, especially like some of the newer cars, I'm not really used to. There's like a bunch of sensors, so if your car's a little bit dirty, sometimes it will affect the sensors. You'll usually get a notification that says, hey, left or right pillar blocked, rear camera blocked, something along that line. White cars are pretty hard to take care of. You get a lot of the dirt just sticking on there. But luckily, when you do clean the white car, it does end up looking really good, really shiny. So we'll get it done, both the cars real quick, and we'll see. Leanne, say hi. Not interested. All right, let's get into it. Before you go ahead and start touching the car on the Model 3, you're going to want to go ahead and turn on car wash mode. That's going to be found over here on that left car right here. You click on that. You go to your controls tab, and it is going to be right here, car wash mode. What that does is pretty much deactivates the sensors so that you won't get any notifications or mess anything up. Just hit the cars with light soap. You let that soak for a little bit, and then you want to hit the car again with a high pressure nozzle. The soap kind of helps break down the gunk, and then before you touch the car, this will help remove some loose contaminants. After spraying the car down with some water, letting that sit, hitting it with some soap, letting that sit, we're finally ready to go ahead and scrub the car. I want to hit the car with some soapy water. That will ensure that there's lubrication with the surface. That way you're really not scratching anything up or anything along that lines. Our goal here when washing the car is to, one, get the car clean, but two, to keep the paint in as good condition as possible. By touching the paint as little as possible, that really helps the lifespan of the paint. You are also going to need a clean squeegee or any type of sponge that you'd like, preferably something that's microfiber or something that does not scratch your paint.